We are looking at how to pronounce the letters OU together in English. There are 4 different sounds that it can make. We're going to be looking at those 4 sounds with examples in English in different words. The first sound that the letters OU can make in English is O, as in found, mouse, count, or the word sound itself. The second sound that the letters OU can make together is a long R or O sound, as in pour, for, quart, morning, pour, for, quart, morning, a long O sound. The third sound that it can make is oo, as in you, a group of people, a coup or a coup d'etat, for example, or Putin. Yes, the fourth sound that the letters OU can make is an a sound, a schwa sound, as in country, cousin, cousin, couple, or double. The 4 sounds that the letters OU can make, therefore, are O, R, U, And now you know, like this video. If you found it useful, thanks for your support, it helps me immensely. More videos for you here to learn more correct pronunciations. Thanks for your support and thanks for watching.